All right, let's do some Mathity-Math. It says here, Walter the Witch is mixing magical potions. On Monday, he mixed 9 flying potions and 2 shrinking potions. Cool. For these potions, he used 115 ogre tails. Okay. Oh, excuse me, ogre toenails. Ogres don't have tails. Silly me. Okay, on Thursday, he mixed 20 flying potions and 8 shrinking potions. On Thursday, he used 316 ogre toenails. And it says here, okay, they have a specific goal for us. Use elimination to solve the following questions. Cool. How many ogre toenails does it take to make a flying potion? Okay, let's start there. So we're going to try and figure out how many ogre toenails does it take to make a flying potion. So stepping back, let's rewind this and kind of lay everything out. Okay, Monday, 9 flying potions. We'll call that 9F. Okay, 9F. Great. And 2 shrinking potions. We'll call that plus 2S. Okay. And for this, he used 115 ogre toenails. Real quick, just think about this. That's a lot of toenails. Just something to think about. Okay. And then on Thursday, he made 20 flying potions and 8 shrinking potions. And that took 316. Okay. And it says use elimination here. So the key to using elimination is looking at your variables and trying to find one you can eliminate. And you're going to find one you can eliminate by multiplying the entire equation by one constant. So looking at this, 9 and 20 don't necessarily play too well together, but 2 and 8 are great because 2 times 4 is 8. So therefore, 2 times negative 4 would be negative 8, and you can see you can get those to eliminate. Let me show you what I mean. So I'm actually just gonna use my red here to show my process. I'm gonna multiply this whole thing by negative 4. Okay. So I'm gonna rewrite it over here maybe so we can see it a little bit better. But if I do this whole thing by negative 4, what I'm gonna get is negative 36F. Okay, I get negative 36F minus 8S, and then it's going to equal, and so it's 115 times negative 4, which is negative 460. Okay, and then I just rewrite the equation here, and I didn't do anything to this, so I don't do anything to it. I just leave it the way it is. So it's 20F plus 8S equals 316. Okay, and now we just do some good old-fashioned vertical math, and then we're going to get what we need here. You'll see. So negative 36F plus 20F would give us a negative 16F. And see, look, these go away. They eliminate. Hence the term elimination. So negative 8S plus 8S is 0, so that goes away. And then we have negative 460 plus 316. I don't really think I can do that in my head right now, so let me see what I got here. Negative 460 plus 316, boom, is negative 144. Okay, and so at this point, if you think about it, all we have to do is get this F all by itself, and we can do that by dividing by negative 16. And it's good news that this is negative because we need this number to be positive because there's no such thing as a negative toenail. That's a concept even weirder than ogre toenails in the first place, right? So this has to be positive. So we're going to get F is, and negative 144 divided by negative 16 is 9. Okay, so now we know what? We know that flying potions take 9 ogre toenails. There we go. So that's the first part. And then to find the second part, the shrinking part, we can actually just plug in this 9 back into either one of these formulas, and that will give us our answer. And if you want to be extra safe, you can do it to both because it should give you the same answer. So the first one, I'll take 9F, but instead of F, I'm substituting with 9. So it's actually 9 times 9 plus 2s equals 115. Doing my math, that'd be 81 plus 2s equals 115. So now we just do 115 minus 81. 115 minus 81 is 34. So 2s equals 34. Excuse me, we divide both sides by 2 because the opposite of multiplying by 2 is divided by 2. And we're going to find that s is 17 because 34 divided by 2 is 17. Now, when you have this answer, you say, okay, so now I know shrinking potions take 17. But if you're a little unsure, it's not a terrible strategy to go back in and plug in this way, right? You can just plug right back in. I'll do that very quickly for you. So 20 times 9 is 180 plus 8s equals 316. Okay, so 316 minus 180, that's going to give us 136. And then 136 divided by 8 gives us 17. All right, so it checked out twice. Oh, you can't see what I'm doing. I'm so sorry. Here we go. There you go. So it checked out twice. That's just a good way to make sure you're on the right track. So you know that flying potions take 9 ogre toenails and shrinking potions take 18. I'll just write OTS, ogre toenails. Cool. And there you go. As always, subscribe below if you want to be notified when I make more fantastically, magically amazing, awesome word problems just for you to practice. Or leave a comment below if you got something you need to tell me, and I'll try to respond back as quick as I can. Thank you. Bye.